We have the highest property tax rate in Travis County.
Because we issued quite a bit of debt.
The city of Pflugerville taxes are going up 24% next year.
Why does Pflugerville have the highest tax rates in Travis County?
We've issued a lot of debt. That's around $35 million.
Debt is what's higher.
Why are we spending more on debt payment than on maintenance and operations?
Maybe it's because the city council issued over $200 million in non-voter approved bonds for a new city hall?
Is it because it paid $10 million to the Pfluger family for 29 acres of land only worth $2 million?
Or is it because the city paid $2.3 million for the Old Gin food truck property that was being taxed at only $397,000? We all work hard for our money, and the city is creating overnight millionaires at our expense by overpaying for land.
Water rates will be doubling over the next 3 years and be the highest rates in the area.
So we will be the highest.
You're the highest in this chart.
Attend city council meetings and voice your concerns about rising property taxes, fees, and wasteful spending.
We have the highest property tax rate in Travis County.
Debt payments, all the bonds, GOs and COs that are issued, the downtown east projects, a rec center, really a community center.
And again, the increase is due to debt calculations. The debt calculation will need a little over $30 million to pay our debt. So Round Rock is at about 0.3420.
So we will be the highest.
We have the highest property tax rate in Travis County.